The top 3 reasons why Amare Global may be the perfect opportunity for you. My name is Dale Ecuyer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to learn more about this incredible opportunity and more about the mental wellness company and the gut-brain axis protocols that we have to help you feel absolutely amazing and be as productive as you possibly can in your day. A couple of things to look at. Number one, in a company, you've got to look at the products. Do the products excite you, and are they something that people are looking for? So I'm sure you've heard about our viral product, Amare Happy Juice. I'm having mine right now. And there are other products as far as the kids line that help children with focus issues, behavioral issues, and just kids that are feeling anxious. So our products are second to none. They are clinically studied, and people are loving the results that they're having. I will drop in the description a group that I have called Mental Wellness Warriors, where you can see hundreds and hundreds of stories, live interviews, and written stories about the results that people are having with our gut-brain axis protocols. So the products have got to be something that people love, that people are getting results from, that people are excited about, and that you're excited about. Number two, the timing of the company. Amare Global is a fairly new company, but we have passed through those first 5 years, which oftentimes companies fail in their first 5 years. We are in a stage called critical mass. So a company goes through all of these stages only once in their lifetime. So we have gone through the first 5 years. We have gone through momentum where things are really, really moving. And now we're at that tipping point of where we're in critical mass. We are growing year over year, leaps and bounds. We are now entering into 50 new countries. We are in global expansion. Timing is so important when you join a company. You don't want to join too early, and you don't want to join when everybody knows about it. When you talk to people like, oh, I've already seen that. I know about it. I've tried those products, blah, blah, blah. You want to be in the timing of the company when people are just starting to hear about it, and a lot of people have not, and you can be the one to introduce them to them. Isn't that exciting? So now is like the perfect timing. And then number 3, this is really, really important. I've been in the industry for 15 years. Let me know how long you've been in the industry. Just drop it in the comments below. I've been in the industry for 15 years. I was with another company for 10 years, and we never really had a system or strategy. We were kind of taught, like, just go talk to everyone that you know. If you're in the parking lot, if you're in the bathroom, if you're online at Starbucks, like, just talk to everyone that you meet. And it just felt so unauthentic. It just felt so icky to me. I was really, really happy when I joined Amare because the training and support is second to none. And what I'd like to do is share my screen so you can see the back end of what it looks like in our training group, which we call Social Swagger Leaders. I'm so honored to be on this team. We are one of the fastest growing teams in the company. And the reason is because of the training and support that we have. So that we are called Social Swagger Leaders. I'm showing you the guides. Okay. So when someone comes on and comes into our team, we embrace them and we want you to succeed. We want to show you how to succeed. We want to give you actionable steps every single day so you know exactly what you're doing and how to build your team. So as you can see in the guides here, we have onboarding. So we have a welcome post, which tells you all about our training. So you can watch the video there. Then we have all sorts of things that you can do every single day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, we're giving you ideas of what to post on social media. We also have TikTok training. We have Facebook Reels training. We have Facebook Stories training. So anything that you go into these guides, you will see that there's a specific training for that. We also have weekly calls, Tuesdays at 1 Eastern. We've been doing that for over 5 years now, where we share testimonials in the beginning of the call. And then the second part of the call is all about a specific type of training. Today happened to be a money mindset training, which was super powerful. So every single week, it fills you up. You're filled up with belief when you hear the testimonials, and then you're given actionable training and strategies and tips to follow to help you build your business. So we have a 30-day posting plan. We have a text plan where you get a text also. If you don't want to go through these guides, you will have a text sent to you of what to post that particular day. So this is just amazing training. And this is what I love as well. But sometimes you'll have questions like, okay, well, how do I follow up with this person? Or should I do a three-way? How do I do a three-way to, get another person in on the call to help me with this customer or business partner? So all of these follow-up examples. So we have so much training, the do's and don'ts of TikTok, set up your perfect profile, setting your foundation. I mean, it just goes on and on. Here's a TikTok 10-day launch. It just goes on and on. The training and support on this team is second to none. It is beyond anything that I've ever experienced. And that is why I've been able to grow to the top of this company. Not that I'm bragging, but it really, the reason that I've been able to, after being in another company for 10 years, I never reached any of the top ranks. I never earned an incentive trip. In this company, because of the training, because of the products, because of the timing, I've earned the incentive trip every year since I've been with Amare, which has been 5 years. It'll be 6 years in April. So I encourage you to take a look. I am happy to have a one-on-one with you, show you more of the back office in our training group, just share more about the products. I'll leave the link again for my group, Mental Wellness Warriors, where you can see lots of stories and information about the protocols. But in terms of the business, feel free to reach out and we can meet up and see what you think, see if it's a good fit for you. All right, I look forward to seeing you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again.